got wings, white eyes, and he's black. Is that pretty cool?
Go this way.
Okay, hold on, we gotta cross the street.
Oh,
Madeline, right here, sweetie. Come up here and cross the street with me. Hold my hand.
Oh.
Oh. Hold my hand. Okay.
Yes.
Now look at this house across the street here. It has white skeletons dangling from a tree. Across the street. On your left. That's your right, on your left. But when we get across the street. This is the one that has the haunted house, this house here.
oh really?
I'm on a walk last Halloween, and there must have been 100 people lined up to go in the house.
Oh,
Because they
geez.
only let like 8 or 10
Yeah.
Look! And I can hear all sorts of screaming. Look at the skeletons dangling from the tree across the street, the white skeletons. Oh, they've decorated for Halloween with some skeletons. Gotta wipe the dribble off your face.
The telephone.
The skeletons. Do you see them?
I think last year, didn't they have canoes or something dangling from someplace?
Yeah, they had a really elaborate. I don't know if they're gonna do it again. I mean, they have the enter gate.
Yeah.
But yeah, like all that stuff was part of props for their
Yeah.
haunted house. I mean, it was elaborate. I'm not kidding you.
Let
It
out
was like,
the
there
kids.
must have been at least
Let
100
out the
people lined down the block here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And those kids are going to school, I think. So I don't know if they do that every year. That was the first year that I walked on this street on
Huh.
Halloween night.
Yeah.
I'd have to check it out again when she goes to bed or something.
Yeah.
I didn't go through because I didn't want to wait in line. I'm by myself.
I see the telephones.
Oh, yeah?
Dangling from the tree.
Isn't that wild looking? That's wild.
I see the telephone.
I do too.
Dangling from the tree.
They're dangling, yeah.
The daylight
Yes, they are.
from the tree.
From the tree, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
We're almost to the new house.
You're
Oh.
right.
Uh-huh.
We're almost there. I hope they're outside. We'll have to go look.
One more house?
Maybe that's a far way down.
That's a
Yeah,
long
it's
way
long,
down,
isn't it?
huh? Too many stairs for Mommy right now. Let's go see the dog.
There's a lot of stairs
That's a lot of
to go down. There's a bench.
There's the bench. Yeah.
I see the black one. There's the big black newsie. Say good morning.
With the phone still inside.
Brown is inside, yeah. I didn't see him. Is he down in the little cubby down there? No, the brown one
He has a big black tail,
Yeah.
but the brown must be inside.
The brown one's probably inside. These people
Brown
must think
must
we're crazy.
Outside.
This guy garage coming by. It's like, well, that's how we get our kid out of the house. You want to walk with us. I can't believe you walked all the way from our
Yeah,
house
no
to the
goodness, no
Newfies.
goodness.
That's a long walk for a little ladybug. Are you tired? Do you want to sit in the stroller? Or you want to keep walking?
Oh, no, this is the Florida.
Okay, here,
And
I'm
see
gonna...
the
Hold on. I'm gonna...
He's not bunking.
No, he's not barking. He's checking you out. He says, there's the little girl with the red hair that likes to come look at me. Here, you can climb in, sweetie. Turn around. Good job. Here, you pull it closed. You push it down till it clicks. You did it! Very good. I'll do one, and I'll let you do the other one. Good job, Madeline. That was quite a big walk. I am impressed.